Welcome back to SWGA Sickle Cell Awareness with Patient Advocate Monica. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the tribe. In today's video, I am going to tell you how to find your tribe. Let's get into the video. So what is a tribe? A tribe is a group of people that you share things in common with. The language is the same, the culture, as well as the history. The most important part about building a tribe is you share so many things in common. You believe a lot of the same things, whether it's religion, whether it's socio-economic, whether it's characteristics, whether it's lifestyle. It's the things that you all agree on and you share and you have in common. Hobbies. A lot of people that are in my tribe, we share the same hobbies, we share the same ideologies, we share the same educational level. There are so many things that we share and that we share in common. It's so important for you to share things in common, and that's the importance of having a tribe. Someone who understands you. Some of them are family members and some of them are not. So your tribe can start from your family and you can build it up as you go through life meeting new people, and as you meet new people, you will continue to build your tribe. It's important to build your tribe because you're going to always need them and they become lifelong friends. The number one question I ask people is, do you enjoy spending alone time with yourself? Quality time, just you, going out to lunch by yourself, going to the park yourself, or just alone time at home? Or do you enjoy those moments, just alone time, listening to music or whatever you enjoy doing? And it's amazing when I hear people say, no, oh no, not me, no. I don't like to be by myself. I like to be in a crowd. I like to be around people. I don't like to be by myself. My thought is, if you don't like being around you, what makes you think other people like being around you? It's something to think about. It's something to consider. If you don't like being around you, what makes you think other people want to be around you? So before you begin to build your tribe, begin to spend that alone time and find out the things that you like, the things that you love, the things that you enjoy, your hobbies, your likes, your dislikes, the foods that you like, the foods you don't like, the cultures that you like, the cultures you don't like, the history that you love, or the history that you don't love. Find out all of that before you begin to build your tribe. Because once you begin to build your tribe, those are the people that you are going to attract. It's important to know the type of people that you attract. Because sometimes there are people that come to you that you're not attracted to, or people that you don't like being around. But in order to know that, you must first know yourself. You must know the things that you like or you don't like. I know I enjoy reading autobiographies. I love raising awareness about sickle cell. I love sitting by the lake and reading a good book or just listening to waterfalls. I love traveling. I've met a lot of people that I travel with. I enjoy being around my sickle cell sisters and sickle cell brothers and mothers and grandmothers and all of the different people that are in the community, especially the medical professionals that are in the community, my board of advisors. I love being around them as they share their knowledge and as I learn from them and they learn from me. It's so important to know who's in your tribe as you begin to build your tribe. That is so important. Gardening, I love gardening. I got into gardening because of my sister. She loves gardening, so I started gardening. Plus, I know food is medicine. So some medicines can be replaced with food. That is so important. So I'm out there gardening every day and I enjoy that. And meeting other people who love to garden, that is so important, but definitely traveling. I love to travel. I have my passport. I will pack my rolling suitcase in a minute. Me and my friends will book a flight on Delta Airline or Southwest Airline, and we're out of here. It doesn't take nothing for us to go and travel somewhere just to get away for a couple of days or a couple of weeks or whatever we need to do to relax or to enjoy ourselves, because we do work hard. So we do deserve a vacation and we do take vacations. That is so important, to have balance in your life. Once you get to know yourself, you will begin to attract your tribe. I get that question all of the time. Monica, so how did you build your tribe? I began to associate with people that enjoy the things that I enjoy or the things that I love. I've met a lot of people in the sickle cell community. I've met a lot of people through travel. I've met a lot of people through college. Some of the people that I met in college, I'm still friends with, I'm still connected to. And as I go to different conferences and as I participate in so many community events, I continue to build my tribe. I continue to meet people and tell them, have you subscribed to my channel? SWGA Sickle Cell Awareness, or I give them the QR code so they don't have to look for it. They can just scan it on their phone and subscribe to my channel. If you have learned something from me talking about how to build your tribe, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell for every time I upload a video, you will be notified that I have uploaded a video. Also, in the comments section, let me know what you know about yourself. What are the things that you like? What are the things that you don't like? What are the hobbies that you have? Put all of that in that comment section down there at the bottom. Let me know your hobbies. Let me know the things you like. Let me know the things that you don't like. So some of the things that I don't like when a person is so negative about everything. Everything is not good and woe is me. I don't like this. I don't feel well. It's always something negative. There's never sunshine or there's never a positive thing said about them. I try to avoid those people, or I try to minimize my time with people that are negative. I also don't like people who don't take the time to learn someone's name. That is like a huge pet peeve of mine. I can have a conversation with you when I know your name. Like recently, I went to New York to be with my family, and I ended up meeting a new family. They are the Obasa family. Just like I like calling my doctors by their name, because some people are like, why don't you just say Dr. O? No, his name is Dr. Ignatius Ohomedike. It's not hard to pronounce. He is my primary care physician. He's my internal medicine doctor. Well, Monica, who's your sickle cell specialist? My sickle cell specialist, his name is Dr. Abdullah Kutlar. Not Cutley, not Kutla. Dr. Abdullah Kutlar. That is one of the biggest things. Take the time to learn people's name and kind of learn the things that they like or they don't like, and kind of learn that some things about them. I know that my primary care physician, I know that he's Nigerian. I know that my sickle cell specialist, he's from Istanbul, Turkey. I had a nurse who's from Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Learning those things, and her name was Nadine Barrett. It's so important to learn people's name. It's just, to me, that's just something. My personal quirk is just me. I think it's just rude not to know someone's name or to learn something about that person or how to communicate with that person. That is so pivotal to me, and that's why it's so important. And I know who I am. That's the important thing. I know who I am, so I attract the people that's supposed to be a part of my tribe. First things first, know who you are before you begin to build your tribe, so you know what to attract and what to repel. Now that you know who you are and you begin to attract people that are a part of your tribe, the most important thing is to follow up and continue to learn things about people that are in your tribe. Find a day, one day of the week, where you'll call them, text them, email them, check on them. Just pick one day out of the week. I usually pick Sunday, where I'll call people, text people to see how they're doing, see how their family's doing, how their children are doing, to see if there are any upcoming events or any upcoming travel that I might want to be a part of. Like, are you going anywhere? Are there any upcoming conferences that you might know about that I don't know about? And we'll get to go to those conferences. That's what happened to one of the conferences I went to in San Diego. Mia was like, Monica, when I saw this conference, I thought about you, and I know you don't mind traveling, so this conference is going to be in San Diego, California. So girl, let's get ready to go to California. And we did. We had a phenomenal time. I enjoyed being at that conference, the Sickle Cell Disease Educational Conference in San Diego, California. That is where I had the opportunity to meet the Honorable Kiki Shepard of Showtime at the Apollo. I had an opportunity to meet Jordan Sparks. I met a lot of people, and actually, it was my birthday weekend. So we celebrated my birthday in California. That was just amazing. As you build your tribe, get to know your tribe members, get to know who they are, the things that they like, and focus on the things that you have in common. And then start looking at the things that you don't have in common, but you get to learn. You get to learn new cultures. You'll get to learn new things or how people work or how different cultures work. Build those relationships, and I promise you, they will be lifelong friendships. Those people will be like your extended family. That is so important as you build your tribe. Always follow up. Continue to nurture those relationships, and you will have your tribe for a long time. Don't let it be one-sided where they're always calling you or you're always calling them. You both call each other. You both check on each other. True tribe members, they'll check on you and you check on them. They'll tell you what's going on. You'll tell them what's going on. So you're both learning from each other. You're both benefiting from each other. Both of you are benefiting from the relationship, the partnership, or whatever you want to call it. It's so important to continue to build those relationships. Not just one day, not just one week, not just one month. This is an ongoing process. This process is ongoing. You have to continually call these people, continually to get together. That's another thing. Now that the pandemic has minimized, you can go places together. You can have lunch with them. You can have dinner with them. You can go to the park with them. You can plan things where y'all do things together. Have tea together. Have lunch together. Have breakfast together. Go shopping together. Or whatever you like. Meet in the park. Just get out of the house for a little while. Go to the park. Nurture those relationships. That concludes this video. Until next time, stay hydrated and stay well. Goodbye.